Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to clear the data cache in the Google Earth app on your phone. This process can help improve the app's performance, free up storage space, and ensure smoother navigation. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down carefully until you find the General section. Here, you will see an option labeled Clear Data Cache. Tap on this option to proceed. Finally, a confirmation message will appear on your screen, asking if you really want to clear the cache. Confirm by clicking on Clear. The app will then remove all cached data, freeing up storage and potentially resolving minor issues related to API performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.